Operations and measures. Electricians install and maintain power systems, requiring precision, efficiency, and safety. They use mathematical operations, measurement systems, and tools to ensure accuracy, prevent hazards, and maintain standards.
Actions.
Electrician occupational outlook. The job of an electrician involves putting in and maintaining electrical power systems. This is done in homes and businesses. The work of an electrician is occasionally demanding. Electricians must lift heavy objects and climb ladders. The work may require them to bend, stand, kneel, or stoop down low for long periods. To be successful, electricians need to work fast. In order to grab and release tools quickly, they wear a tool belt. To prevent electric shock, electricians usually turn off the power source before working. They turn on the power when they are done. Electricians also use sharp tools to split wires.
Numbers.
How do they say it? Symbol, number. Is. Interpretation, pronunciation. Is equals comes to. Example, 1/2 equals 0.5. Symbol, number. And. Interpretation, pronunciation. And plus add. Example, 10 and 5 comes to 15. Symbol, number. Minus. Interpretation, pronunciation. Minus, less, subtract. Example, 10 less 5 is 5. Symbol, number. Times. Interpretation, pronunciation. Times multiplied by. Example, 10 times 5 equals 50. Symbol, number. Divided by. Interpretation, pronunciation. Divided by, over. Example, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Symbol, number, 7/8. Interpretation, pronunciation, 7/8. Example, the cable measured 1/8 of a meter. Symbol, number, 1,200. Interpretation, pronunciation, 1,200 or 1,200. Example, the repair cost $1,200.
Measurements. Do-it-yourself monthly. Issue 12. Know your measurements. Fasteners and tools use imperial measurements or metric, and knowing the difference is important. It prevents you from rounding off a fastener, damaging tools, or causing injury. If you don't know an item's size, use a micrometer or other caliber to measure it. Check centimeters or millimeters for metric tools. Look at inches for imperial tools. You will also need to know larger measurements, such as feet, yards, and meters. These measurements are often used in building plans. Temperature measurements are also important to know. Some countries measure degrees using the Fahrenheit scale, and others use the Celsius scale. You may need to convert from one scale to the other.